Hello everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, and I have a K&N filter that I'm going to put in my 2019 Chevy Equinox. I actually bought this off of Amazon. I gotta look up what the price was. It's probably like 50-60 bucks, but it is a air filter that does increase horsepower and gets you better gas mileage. There have been proven tests to this, and I will be leaving a link down below for you to basically get your own for your own car, you know. So it's a simple install. Basically, we'll pop the hood, we'll open up where the air box filter is, and we'll replace the filter with this one and then go from there. The part number for this one is 5069. We'll check and make sure that's the right one for this car, but I'm pretty sure based on what Amazon had, this should be the right one. All right, once you open the door, there's a hood latch right here underneath the driver's, I guess you call that lower dash panel. Just pop that like that. Then to release the hood, basically you just take your finger and you move this latch to the right. There's a hood prop, so basically I couldn't do it while I was holding the camera. You just basically unclip it from there and you put it in this hole. Here's the airbox filter housing right here, and there's 4 screws, 1, 2, maybe third one up here, and then the 4th one down here. And basically you just need a Phillips screwdriver, and you just stick it in there and just loosen it up. So we're going to go ahead and loosen all 4 of these up, and then we're going to take the top of this air filter housing off and move it to the side to expose the filter underneath. So basically you can just lift this up and move it to the side and take this air filter out. So I'm going to do that right now, and then we'll look at what the old one looks like. Probably clean up all the leaves underneath there. To really get this out the way, it looks like you still got wires and whatnot hooked up here. Really normally I would go ahead and unhook the screw here, unplug this and pop this out the way, and then that way I can really get this to where I need to see underneath it. We'll clean out whatever leaves that are underneath this housing, but let's just see what it looks like. So this was the old air filter, which is kind of interesting. It looks like it had, I've seen these before, but not this type of felt over it, so I guess it just catches more. But the good thing about a K&N air filter, you get better airflow. So we're just going to toss that, and then there's just a couple leaves I'm going to take out. You could get a vacuum cleaner and just vacuum this out. All right, so this is what comes in the package. You get a brand new air filter, which just want to make sure that it matches up. Looks like it's the same type, same size. There's a little bit of paperwork where you can register your K&N air filter. You actually get a sticker. They say that increases your car by 5% right there, just by adding that to the window. And this is probably the most important thing, is to add a sticker. I'm gonna put on this air filter housing, and what I'm going to do is clean this portion right here so people would see it, and it's going to be right there. Please do not throw away my air filter. This is $60 versus $12, $15, whatever. It's a difference. And then we need to find out what it takes to actually clean these. I think there's a cleaning kit, and it may deal with oiling it down or something like that. So you could definitely tell the difference in the quality of this air filter right here versus this paper one. I mean, totally different quality. I kind of put the same kind in my home that are like this, that are reusable. You just wash them out. So you can save a lot of money. It gives you better gas mileage and better horsepower. Basically, you just take the new one, to open out the plastic, and you're just going to slide it in place, just like where the old one was. All right, we got a sticker on the back window. Kind of wish they sent 2 of those, because whatever's on the right side should be on the left, but whatever. And went ahead and cleaned this off, and now I got the sticker right here. So that is a proper installation, because anybody that goes to go replace this, they should be able to see, do not discard that air filter that's in there. Please do not. Pay a lot of money for that. So it's all done. So thanks for checking out the short video. Like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description so you get your own K&N air filter. And when you get everything done, please don't forget to register your air filter at K&N Air Filters. And appreciate you watching the video. Thanks.